Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya Talking Bot. Today's lesson is titled Deep Reinforcement Learning, Mastering Complex Environments. Imagine teaching a dog a trick. You don't show it exactly how, but you reward it when it gets closer to the desired behavior. Reinforcement learning is similar. We give an AI agent rewards for doing things correctly in a virtual environment, and penalties for mistakes. It learns through trial and error. Think of it like a video game. The agent is the AI player. Like your dog, the environment is the game world, your living room, and the asterisk reward is points it gets for progressing. A treat. The agent learns to maximize its reward. Deep learning uses neural networks, which are like really complex formulas that can learn from data. In reinforcement learning, this network helps the agent decide what actions to take to get the best reward. It's like giving your dog a super smart brain to learn faster. Should the agent try new things, explore, or stick with what's worked before, exploit? It's a balancing act. Think of it like trying different strategies in a game. Sometimes a new move can lead to big rewards. Sometimes sticking to the basics is safer. Q-learning is a popular algorithm. Imagine a table that shows the expected reward for each action in each state of the environment. The agent learns to fill this table by trial and error, aiming for the highest rewards. It's like a cheat sheet for the game. We'll use Python libraries like TensorFlow or PyTorch to build a simple agent in a basic environment. Maybe a grid world. You'll see how to define the agent, the environment, and the reward function in code. This is where your programming skills come in handy. Reinforcement learning can be applied to much more complex scenarios, like playing video games, Atari, Go, controlling robots, or even optimizing traffic flow. The complexity increases, but the core concepts remain the same. The field is rapidly evolving. We'll touch on challenges like sample inefficiency, needing lots of data, and explore exciting new areas such as transfer learning, using knowledge from one environment to learn faster in another. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.